Good morning, dear students. Today we'll talk about Unit 4 or Chapter 1. So let's get started with the principles of classification of living organisms. Okay. This classification is very important to us. How we touch this? By this example. For example, if you are on a big library and this library contains a big number of books. Okay. In the same time, all these books, they are different than each other. So the librarian, he must classify. Why? Classify all these books. Why? To make their studying is easy and their finding very easy. So the same idea, we will make classification for the living organisms too. Why? To facilitate the studying. Okay, and identifying all these living organisms that you already know, okay? How about the unknown living organisms, okay? This classification will facilitate the identifying these new organisms and adding them to their similar groups too, okay? And the third point, it's about this classification and the importance of this one, it benefits many other fields of science. Okay, so many you can hear the word biology is kind of science, types of science, and you can hear chemistry, and we have another science called biochemistry. Why? Because all the science branches, they are linked or connected together. Okay, so it must benefit of what? Of the many other fields of science. Okay, so we can write this importance, okay? This importance. We will start with the first point and we'll say what? We'll say that this classification, we'll say it facilitates. Facilitates what? We'll say studying. Studying and we'll say identifying what? The living organisms. The living organisms. Okay, that's the first point. How about the second one? We'll say it facilitates. Facilitates what? Identifying. Well, identifying what? Identifying the new. Okay, the new living organisms. The new living organisms, and adding them to what? To their similar group. Okay, the last point will say what? Will say it benefits. Benefits what? It benefits many other fields of science.